Good morning, class 8. Today I am starting this chapter 14, construction of quadrilateral. So there are many conditions to draw a quadrilateral. So I explain today when 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given. And you will also learn when 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, how will you construct? When 4 sides and 1 angle are given, how will you construct the quadrilateral? 3 sides and included angles, 2 angles given. And when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given, so these are the different situations in which you can construct a quadrilateral. So today I explain one condition. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal are given, how will you construct the quadrilateral? So question number 1, you see, you have to draw ABCD quadrilateral in which, so these are the conditions in which you can construct a quadrilateral. So in this particular question, AB is equal to 3.6 cm and BC 5.5 cm and CD 4.9 cm. These are the sides, 4 sides, you know. DA is equal to 5.3 cm and diagonal, you know very well, the line segment joining the now you see here construction ABCD. So now you see in roughly, suppose this ABCD the quadrilateral we have to draw and diagonals are, you know, AC and BD. So 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA are given and 1 diagonal AC is given. So how will you construct the quadrilateral? So this is the first condition. This is the first situation in which you have to draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral I have already explained the figure, enclosed figure bounded by 4 sides, or in detailed definition, if we take 4 points in which none of 3 points are collinear, and if we join them, figure is obtained. That is quadrilateral. But now you see, concentrate on this construction. So any side, first of all, you take either AB or BC or CD or DA. So any sides, or you can take also the diagonal. So suppose we take AB 3.6 here. You see here. With using the scale, you take AB. How much? 3.6 here. You will take according to the measurement. Now this is 3.6 here, suppose. So if you form the construction here, so you will get A, B, C, D, continuous. So now from B, this will be C. The BC is 5 point. So you take the pair of compass, you measure 5.5, and from B you draw an arc of 5.5. Suppose. Yeah, measure करके लेना है. You have to measure in the scale, and using this geometry box, pair of compass, you draw an arc. So the point C will be on this arc because distance is 5 points. And now you see CD. DA, we know DA or AD. So from AD you take 4.9. So this will be AD. And now you see diagonal AC is given. So this will be AC diagonal. Diagonal 7.2. We measure 7.2. So this will be AC. This point we have got. So this point is C. So AC will be 7.2 and BC already we have cut the arc BC 5 point. From C, now we have got the point C. From C, you cut 4.9 cm. From here, and this point will be, from here you measure 4.9. 4.9 suppose, this is 4.9, so this will be D. So this is D, and now you join AC, BC, and now you join CD, and you join AD. We haven't taken the actual measurement. You will take actual measurements, and then this is the diagram. So this is the corridor. So in this construction, there are different situations, different conditions, in which condition you have to construct. Here we are learning when 4 sides are given and one diagonal is given, then how will you draw the quadrilateral? ये कोई जरूरी नहीं कि ये भी ले, यहाँ कोई भी साइड ले सकते हैं, हम ऐसी डायगोनल भी ले सकते हैं। तो इस तरह से मानते हैं कि इसको हम सपोज यू टेक on any side, suppose BC लेते हैं, तो BC you take how much? BC is 5 point, तो हम कोई भी साइड, any साइड को हम ले सकते हैं। This is a BC, अब देखिए BC लेकर करते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा, इधर में करेंगे नीचे तो A B C D, ऊपर करेंगे A B C D, here will be B, here will be A. Because these what is this are in sequence, in order. So this will be CD. How much CD? CD is 4.9 cm. So you take measure 4.9 on the scale, and suppose this is 4.9. This will be D, and this will be A. Here will be A. And BA is given how much? 3.6. BA or AB, मानते हैं इसको हम नाप लिए फिर से, ये suppose 3.6. Now diagonal is given. Diagonal से ही हम ये point को आ सकता है, तो this diagonal is CA 7.2. You measure on the scale 7.2 from C, because we should know the point and then we can join. So this will be A. So this point will be A, because this is the diagonal. And AD we have already taken the arc. Now you see AD. AD, how much given? AD means DA. Because we have got the point A, so we will try to find the point D, 5.3. Measure on the scale 5.3. From A, you draw an arc. This arc will cut the previous arc at point D. इसको join कर लेंगे. If you join all this, you join AD. So this will be one side. One side we have already taken. This is CD, and this is AD or DA, and this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal AC. And if you have to measure the other diagonal, so you can draw the diagonal and you can measure. So these are the methods, different methods. Any side you can take. First of all, you can take the diagonal also, AC. और उस तरह से हम points पे जो according to the actual measurement we draw the arc. And so this is the one condition when all the 4 sides and one diagonal given. So how will you draw the construction? So that's all. You will try to solve 14.8 and you will try to construct. and you have to also write the step of construction. Thank you and have a